the bottom of Lake Michigan. Yo, fuck a platinum, I'll probably never even see one. And fuck the hook and intro, nigga, I don't need one. I be son, rapping's the reason I'm breathing. Call me Wonder Man, cause I keep you wondering. One pocket full of cabbage, other pocket full of spinach. I ain't trying to make a salad, I'm just trying to make a living. I be swimming in some women, you be swerving, I be drifting. I just got them from your hoes, cause your bitches smell like fishes. I be vicious with my rhymes, even when I don't try, and they make sense. You won't find a line that don't rhyme. If you do, I can bet you cash that it's not mine. And I gotta fuck these hoes all day and all night. I'm a freak in the sheets and a genius in the booth. I had to free myself from prison, cause I am the truth. Bitches be like fuck no, then yell hell yes. They're more confusing than a homeless dude on house arrest. Yo, I don't want no platinum records, I just want chrome. Your rap's retarded, like it got an extra chromosome. I'm that dude in your girlfriend's phone. I know she's just a 5, but she gives good dome. Yo ho no bro, your flow goes so slow. These hoes so but ride dicks like rodeo. These hoes want love, but I ain't no Romeo. My flow's sicker than AIDS, cancer, and polio. I smoke reefer till I got chink eyes. Smoke on that's the tea, but till I got pink eyes. And fuck yellow, you a pussy bitch, you got 9 lives. I got 9 wives, all dimes, all kinds. Big behinds need rewind to hear all these rhymes. Listening to rap nowadays hurts my ears. What the fuck happened to hip-hop along the years? They got snapbacks and swag on their shirts, fucking queers. I dress like a G, bitch, but switching gears. Y'all can't pay a hoe to fuck like your clothes matter. And don't ever say I got swag, bitch, I had swagger. Fuck road cops, they're as dirty as pigs. Pigs eat their own shit, I'm eating bacon, bitch. Bitch, let's go 3 rounds. First round, you're down, knock the fuck out, punk, what now? People don't listen, cause I talk about poverty. The people wanna copy my lyrics, go ahead and copy me. I smoke weed, drink, lean, snort, PCP. I'm crazier than Walt Disney and Dr. Seuss on LSD. Arrived down the scene, rap needed to be revived, and my lyrics sting more than 1,000 beehives. To quit the struggle is to quit on life. I got the same dream almost every night. Niggas wanna slice my windpipe with a 10-inch knife, but I fight and wake to the sight of daylight. So many rappers out, but rapping's not your element. Lyrics unintelligent and beats too delicate. You fuck with my crew and your death is definite. I got guns and ammo that'll drop fucking elephants. You're the slave to society, fuck the master. Run into your house at night, bitch, and I'm a blaster. Turn your wife into a widow, son into a bastard. I'ma die by the gun of lung cancer.